Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Visual Studio Code into your Windows operating system for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Just simply come to your favorite browser and going to search for Visual Studio Code. And then here we'll find the suggestion over here. So if you click on that, then you'll get this website called code.visualstudio.com. So if you click on Visual Studio Code, and then it will open the website of Visual Studio Code, download it. And here you can simply click on your code editor redefined with AI, and here is a download option called download for Windows. So if you click on that, after a very short time the download will be started, and it's only 100 MB and it's needed for some couple of seconds, so keep patience. After completing the download, what we're going to do, we will going to drag it into this desktop and going to install it by clicking on it 2 times, and then there will be a setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code user. Going to click I accept the agreement and then click next. After that, if you want to change the location, you can simply click on browse and you can simply change it, but I was going to remain it as it is and then simply click on next. After that, click on next another time, and if you want to create a desktop icon, I'm going to click on it, and there is some other options, so I will going to click them all and then click next and install. You can see they're preparing to install, and now it's installing and it will take some of seconds to download, so keep patience. And you can see the installation is completed, and now if we just click on finish, the Visual Studio Code will be open. So I don't want to launch it by clicking on finish, so I'm going to simply click on finish, and then here is my app Visual Studio Code. Also you can find it by searching it called Visual Studio Code and simply click on it for open, and you can see that the Visual Studio Code is opened over here. Just close it, and if you want to make some changes from here, you can do it as well. So the basic thing is I will going to show you that this is how you can download and install Visual Studio Code into your Windows operating system for free. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.